Hello and welcome to our wandering through the Allure Beauty Box for the month of June 2024. This is a fun box. Basically, one item pays for the box and everything else is essentially free. It always comes with a brochure with a lovely person on the front. Inside the brochure tells us about the items. I highlight things so I have half a clue of what I'm talking about. So let's get into this box. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel and would like to, please do so. And if you would like to subscribe to this box, there's a link in the description box down below. Check it out. But first, let's see the box. First, from Christophe Robin, we have a hydrating leave-in mist. This poor little bottle had a hard life in transit. It leaked a little bit and then something caused a red streak down the side of it. I don't think the product itself is damaged, although it is down to about here. Nothing else seemed wet in the box, but I think the red mark comes from the label of a different product. Anyway, I did contact them and they are sending me a replacement product. If you need to contact them, which hopefully doesn't happen very often, there is a phone number in that brochure where you can call and actually talk to a real live person. One of the things that we have been noticing is that there are more options to choose a product. Yes, not necessarily every month, but every few months you get to make a choice. Now, granted, there is no beauty profile, but they give you a choice of different hair products, like in this box or in prior boxes, different lip colors or different temporary hair colors. There are some choices coming along with this box, which I think is neat, fun, and exciting. Let's tell you a little bit more about that Christophe Robin product. We had 3 choices that I got to pick from. There were a total of 6 products. I think they may have set it so that you don't get a repeat item, although in all honesty, I wouldn't mind picking a repeat. Yeah, I kind of like one of their other products a little bit better than the one that I chose, but then again, we get boxes so we can try the different products at a lesser cost, so I can't complain too loudly. So that was the Christophe Robin Hydrating Leave-In Mist with Aloe Vera. It is full size, and it is got a retail of $39. And I noticed in looking at the other Christophe Robin products, they're all within about that same price range of $32 to $42. So everything is within a $10 price range. So it's not like one person's going to get a $50 product and someone else is going to get a $10 product. And this is supposed to leave your hair looking healthier. Next is a facial cleanser, and it is also full size. You get 3 full size and 3 sample size in the box. This is Face Reality Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser Daily Calming Wash, and it is 6 fluid ounces, so it's a good size, and as near as I can tell looking in the light, we are full up to that spot right there. And the handy dandy little brochure tells me that it removes makeup and grime while making your skin feel more hydrated and calmer than it was before. And that is thanks to Centella asiatica extract, which is a type of plant that helps heal and soothe. It has a retail of $35. It is great for calming your skin, it can also be helpful for those with acne. This is the Floss Rise Above Lengthening Mascara. It is in the shade Black. This is the product that I think rubbed off onto the Christoph Robin bottle. Granted, looking at it, I think it was printed missing some of the lettering, but I'm not for sure. But if I was going to take a guess, I would guess that this is what rubbed off on the other bottle. Anyway, both products seem okay, but they are, like I said, sending me a replacement bottle since some of the product did leak out. I'm excited to try this mascara, but I'm going to leave it closed up because I have a lot of other mascaras that I need to try. But I like the way it looks in the brochure. Let me see if I can show you. Well, you get stuck with all my little chicken scratch notes, but this is what it shows the wand of the mascara to look like. And for all practical purposes, with a retail of $22, this pays for the box. Depending upon your subscription level, which can be anywhere from $19 to $25, a $22 product basically pays for the box. This is supposed to make your lashes look dramatically longer and does not deposit clumps. Good to know. Arriving to the halfway point of the box, we would say that this is our favorite item. Yes, I think I like this the best from the first half of the box. What did you see that you liked? Comment down below, because I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all of the details. Give me all the tea, everything you know. Have you tried this? Do you get this box? There's a link in our description box if you want to try it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And now, moving right along with this video, I am excited about an Earth Harbor product. And if any of you are familiar with my preferences toward Earth Harbor, it's hard for me to find one that I like. They're often too heavy in the woodsy type scent. This one is gonna be a winner. It is rose scented. This is the Earth Harbor Tidal Rose Seaweed Hydration Mist. And it has a very nice light mist, which I'm trying to get the top off without making a mess. Okay, stand back, camel. Let's see if we can... I don't know if that showed up on the screen or not, but it has a very nice rose scent. And what else can we tell you about this product? I don't know. You've got the book. She raises a point. This is a sample size of 20 milliliters. Full size is 60 milliliters and is $16. It's a hydrating mist. Rose quartz infused rose water is meant to balance your energy while softening your skin. That's a nice combination. Yes, I definitely think that's a nice combination. I've taken the top off this next product from Belief so you can get to see a little bit of what the cream looks like. Looks very nice, but don't let the package fool you because there's not as much in there as it presents itself to be. This item is supposed to be light and hydrating and very moisturizing, which I guess is the same as hydrating maybe. And it's supposed to sink into your skin rather than just lay on top as a barrier. This is a sample size, which is what we normally get from Belief in the Allure box. We get lots of Belief samples. The full size is $38 for 50 milliliters. That was a 10 milliliter sample. this is a sample size of 6 patches for your bikini line if you get an ingrown hair. It is from Fave. Never heard of the brand. I don't have that issue. I don't shave my bikini area. A full size for that would be $19.99 for 12 patches. And it says that the reason you'll love it is that ingrown hairs are almost inevitable and that it's tempting to pick at them with tweezers, which is not a good idea because that could cause an infection. So these patches aim to extract ingrown hairs with mild chemical exfoliation using gentle lactic and azelaic acids. And apparently they're sort of like the patches that you would put on if you have a blemish or a dark spot. Apparently you put it on and wear it overnight and it removes or loosens up the ingrown hair. Anne has decided that her favorite item in the second half of the box is the rose product from Earth Harbor. What did you see that you liked? Tell me. I'm nosy. Do you get this box? In taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, basically with this box, one item will pay for it, especially depending upon what subscription plan you are on. I'm on an annual plan, so my box is $19 a month, but I did have to pay up front the entire annual or year plan. If you go monthly, it's $25 a month. And like we mentioned earlier, we have a link down below that will save you some money if you decide to get a box or a subscription. You get 6 items, and most of the time it's 3 full size at least and 3 sample size. Every so often you get an extra item, which is always nice. And the shipping is free. And what else can I tell you? I think that's about it, other than we hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for taking the time to watch it. Please consider subscribing to our channel and like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Check out whatever's popping up on the screen. Don't forget the link in the description box if you're looking for a nicely priced box with good items, because for all practical purposes, there will be a item in the box that is full size that pays for the box, and then everything else is just added cream on top with a cherry. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.